Hello everyone, welcome to K4 Craft. Today we are going to learn to make flowers. We will need paper quilling pen, craft glue and circle scissor. We'll start with quilling a coil. I'm opening the coil to a bigger number on the circle scissor. Now I'm slowly bending the coil and folding it into half. Now I'm applying some glue in the middle so that the 2 points stick together and some glue on the outside. I'm taking a new paper quilling strip and winding it around the coil. It will give us a teardrop shape. We will need 5 of these coils and 1 tight coil. We'll glue the bottom part of the teardrop and stick it to the different colored coil. Now I've taken 2 different colored quilling strips and I'm sticking it together. Now I'm going to start quilling from the color I want to be inside. After which I'm placing the coil to a bigger number on the circle scissor. Now I'm holding the midpoint, pulling it down and pinching on the opposite side, creating a teardrop. We will need 5 of these quilling coils. And 1 different colored coil. We'll stick the bottom of the teardrop coil to the different colored coil. Now I've taken 3 strips and I'm quilling all of the strips to the same size on the circle scissor. After I'm done, I'm going to pinch both ends of one quilling coil to make a marquee, and I'm going to pinch 2 sides and make a flat surface on the other quilling bead and stick them together. I'm going to do the same for the third coil as well. Now I'm going to apply some glue on the outer part of these 3 coils and I'm going to wind a different colored paper quilling strip around it. We will need 5 of these and 1 different colored coil. Now I'm sticking all the petals together and I've placed the different colored coil in the middle. Now we are using a border buddy of circle shape. I'm binding a paper quilling strip on the first step. And I'm binding a strip on the 5th step. After we are done, we will pinch it on one side for both the parts. I'll place the smaller part inside the bigger part. Now I'm taking a paper quilling strip and making wave scrolls. After I'm done, I'll put the wave scrolls on the hollow of the bigger petal. I'm taking another color and making wave scrolls again. Now I'm placing this inside the smaller hollow we have. We'll need 5 of these petals and I'm going to stick them next to each other. And we'll need a tight coil which I'm sticking on top of the flower in the center. Thank you for watching.